Kindly tell me about some useful CSS resources for beginners.
Here are some useful CSS resources for beginners. Number 1. Smashing Magazine. Smashing Magazine is a great resource for learning CSS. They have articles and tutorials that cover the breadth of modern CSS with a focus on key areas. Number 2. Slant. Slant is a website that provides a list of the best resources to learn CSS. It includes options like Free Codecamp, CS Tricks, Codecademy, and more. Number 3. DreamHost. DreamHost provides a list of 3 easy and accessible ways to learn CSS, including watching YouTube tutorials, reading online resources, and taking online courses. Number 4. Web Dev. Web Dev provides a free course that breaks down the fundamentals of CSS into digestible, easy-to-understand pieces. Number 5. Wpumu Dev. Wpumu Dev offers a list of over 150 resources for learning CSS, including articles, tutorials, and online courses. Number 6. I'm Jignesh Patel. I'm Jignesh Patel provides a list of the top 10 CSS resources for beginners, including Codecademy, W3 Schools, HTML5 Rocks, and more. By using these resources, beginners can learn CSS effectively and efficiently. These resources provide structured learning plans, tutorials, exercises, and quizzes to help you learn CSS from scratch.
Dear viewers, in this channel, we always share short, informative videos. These videos will help you to boost up your knowledge. So like this video and subscribe our channel to be connect with us. Thanks.